Alright, so today we're going to do a bike check. It's a custom bike. The frame is a Fit Dakota Rosh frame. Says it right there. So that's pretty sweet. It's got Odyssey bar ends. And it has Colt Vans grips. Odyssey monolever version 2. No, I'm not sure what version it is. It's the newest one they have. Coalition cable, which is pretty nice. Primo Sam Squatch bars. It says Primo right there. Colt Salvation stem flipped upside down. And Eclat headset, says it right there. Says it right there. I already told you the frame. It's got Snafu pickle forks. It says Snafu right there. Homemade peg, which is sweet. Fly rim, a Coalition hub. Odyssey twisted PCP or something like that. PCP, yeah, something like that. Snafu Mayweather cranks. Primo front sprocket. You can't really see it. It says it inside there, but Colt Halfling chain. Proper brakes. It says proper right there. Colt pivotal seat. It says it right there. It's got a Primo seat post. Haro 25.9 rear wheel. With an Odyssey Aiken P-Light tire. And then in the front, it has a Primo Refuse Resist 2.25, really fat. The tread is really nice. Tread's really nice on it. You guys want to hear the hub? It's just a stock rear wheel, but it's pretty loud. So that's it on the bike check. And oh yeah, it's got red 41 stem bolts on it. That's about it.